Hello everyone, your Reshmi here from Your Eyes Fashion. Hope you all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support as always. And today I have selected some exclusive, smart and elegant collections only for you. So let me display very beautiful one. This one, pure Vishnupuri silk with print. Very elegant color combinations. Let me open pure Vishnupuri silk with beautiful printed one. Very smart looks, let me open. This one is full base part. This one, full base part, very smart, trendy looks, elegant obviously. This one, full base part, contrast color, dye border and full border portions, beautiful printed one, pure Vishnupuri silk, soft, comfortable, summer friendly obviously. And this one, full pallu portions, beautiful, smart, printed one, very elegant looks, pure Vishnupuri silk with print. Nice one. This one is full base part, contrast color, dye border, base is black, and this one fully contrast color with beautiful printed border. This one is running blouse piece and this one is full base part, very exclusive looks. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this for your outstanding trendy looks. And this one is same material, pure Vishnupuri silk with print, very nice looks and elegant color combinations, soft sober looks. This one is full base part, beautiful printed one. This one is full base part, contrast color border with beautiful leheria pattern, printed border, and full middle portions is beautiful printed design highlighted, very smart looks. This one is full base part, fully printed one, pure Vishnupuri silk with print. This one is contrast running blouse piece and this one pallu portions, very nice looks, fully printed pallu, very trendy one, pure Vishnupuri silk with print. And this one is full base part, very elegant color combination, soft, comfortable, lightweight, very lightweight, summer friendly. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive trendy looks. And this one also very beautiful one, beautiful printed, very smart and elegant printed one. This one is full base part. Let me open. This one is full base. This one is full base part, beautiful printed one. And this one border portions, contrast color, temple pattern, printed border, fully printed one, very smart, bright and elegant looks. And this one pallu portions, highlighted, contrast color, dye, stripes pattern pallu. And this one is full base part, very elegant and fresh looks. This one is full base, highlighted border, and this one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, very trendy and elegant looks. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this for your outstanding looks. And this one also beautiful one, very elegant and trendy looks, smart printed one, pure Vishnupuri silk with beautiful printed. Let me open. This one is full base part. This one is full base part, beautiful printed one, very smart looks, different printed pattern. This one is stripes pattern, highlighted border, and full base part is beautiful printed with butta printed one, very nice and elegant looks. And this one pallu portions, contrast color, stripes with beautiful highlighted printed pallu, and very soft, comfortable, only 350 gram weight, and beautiful printed one, very nice looks. This one is full base, fully printed one. This one is running blouse piece and this one is full piece. And I will suggest this silk material, self weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this for your outstanding elegant looks. Actually, very elegant looks, very smart, beautiful one, pure tussar silk golden zari border and full base part is beautiful, small, smart printed one. Let me open this one. Full base part, very elegant, fresh and trendy looks. This one, full base part, pure tussar silk, highlighted golden zari border, black contrast printed lines, and this one is full base part, beautiful printed, and this one, pallu portions highlighted golden zari stripes with beautiful contrast color painted stripes pallu, and this one, full base part, very soft, comfortable, pure tussar silk with beautiful printed one. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, very trendy, fresh and elegant looks, pure tussar silk. And I will suggest this silk material, a heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this for your outstanding looks, very elegant one. And this one also, very smart and exclusive looks. Let me open. Base part is pure handloom, hand spun matka, feather like soft, and full base part is beautiful silvery dye printed one and resham stripes. This one is full base part, beautiful silvery printed and fully hand processed. And this one, resham silk stripes. These are pure resham silk stripes with sequin design, big sequin design, fully pocket weaving sequin work. These are fully weaving sequin, and this one, full base part, very smart and elegant looks, beautiful fresh color combinations, fully hand silvery dye printed one, premium quality, pure handloom, hand spun matka. This one is, running blouse piece, contrast color, and this one is pallu portions, very highlighted one, pure resham silk with sequin design, pocket weaving sequin design pallu. These are beautiful fully pocket sequin weaving design and pure resham silk pallu, and full base part is matka, pure handloom, hand spun matka with sequin stripes work, resham stripes. And I will say this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this for your outstanding smart elegant looks. And this one also, beautiful one, pure muslin with jamdani work and very elegant color combinations. Let me open. This one is full base part, transparent pure muslin silk with beautiful hand weaving jamdani buta, and this one, border portions golden shaded, fully fine stripes pattern border, and full base part is pure muslin with jamdani buta, very elegant trendy looks, transparent, fine transparent, and full base part is beautiful buta. And this one, pallu portions, very highlighted one, fully fine weaving design, heavy worked pallu, fully contrast color threaded weaving design, and full base part is pure muslin with jamdani buta. This one is beautiful hand weaving buta design and highlighted border, very fine elegant looks. This one is full piece, and I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding bright smart looks. And also, very beautiful elegant one, pure muslin with weaving buta design and fine weaving border work, very smart elegant looks and bright color combinations. This one, full base part, pure muslin soft one and premium quality, and this one is fine threaded weaving design, silk material threaded weaving design, fine weaving border, and this one, full base part, beautiful hand weaving jamdani buta, full base part, and this one, pallu portions, very highlighted one, fully fine weaving heavy worked pallu, very soft one and lightweight, only 300 gram weight. And this one, full base part, beautiful weaving buta design, very gorgeous looks and bright color combinations and pure muslin base. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, silver base with heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding bright fresh looks. And also, very beautiful and elegant color combinations, baby pink base and purple contrast border, premium quality pure handloom silk clean material, very bright elegant looks, best for your party wear also. This one, border portions contrast color with fine Banarasi weaving border, and this one, full base part baby pink base with beautiful Banarasi weaving pallu and border. This one, pallu portions contrast color dye pallu with beautiful heavy Banarasi weaving work, and this one is running blouse piece border work, fine stripes, zari stripes running blouse piece, and this one, border portions very highlighted one contrast color dye border purple set with heavy Banarasi weaving hand weaving Banarasi work border design, very bright fresh looks gorgeous also. This one, full base part, very nice color combinations, and I will suggest this silk material Banarasi weaving work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding bright fresh party looks. So these are also same material, same pattern, only color options, silk clean weaving Banarasi work border and buta design, and this one, full base part is beautiful weaving buta work also, premium quality pure handloom silk clean. This one is border contrast color dye border with fine Banarasi weaving heavy worked border, and full base part is beautiful fine weaving golden zari weaving Banarasi buta, and this one is full base part and same pattern running blouse piece, fine stripes buta work Banarasi border, and this one, pallu portion same contrast color dye with beautiful fine heavy Banarasi weaving pallu design, very bright fresh looks gorgeous also, best for your party wear, and base is silk clean material, and I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding bright gorgeous party looks. And this one also, same material same pattern different color only, and this one, silver zari work, very trendy fresh looks and elegant color combinations. Base is grayish blue shade and contrast blue bright blue border, and this one is full base part, beautiful elegant color combinations with silver zari weaving Banarasi work, and this one is border portions highlighted silver zari weaving border, contrast color blue purple blue shade contrast dye with silver zari weaving border, and this one, pallu portions fully contrast color blue shade with silver zari weaving Banarasi work pallu, and this one is full base part same heavy weaving buta designed by silver zari, and this one is contrast color dye border with silver zari fine weaving heavy worked Banarasi border. This one is full piece, and this one, running blouse piece. This one is running blouse piece stripes with work, and I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade works, silver base brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding bright and elegant party looks. Same material same pattern different color, only silver zari work and fresh looks, ready set with beautiful contrast border, green border with beautiful heavy Banarasi weaving work by silver zari. This one is pallu part, silver zari weaving heavy Banarasi work pallu, full base part is same buta design Banarasi buta by silver zari, and this one is full base part, very bright color combinations. This one is Banarasi border, very trendy fresh gorgeous looks, best for your party wear, very nice one, and handloom silk clean material. This one is running blouse piece, and I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding bright fresh looks. And this one also, same material same pattern different color combinations only, and silver zari work, bright looks, red shade fresh red blood red with beautiful contrast border, and full base part is fine silver zari weaving Banarasi buta, and this one is border portions contrast color mustard yellow shade with silver zari weaving Banarasi border, pallu also same contrast color with fine silver zari weaving heavy worked pallu, and this one border portions very highlighted one, red shade base part, silver zari Banarasi buta, contrast mustard yellow dye border, and full border portions heavy work by silver zari Banarasi work, fully hand weaving design. This one is full piece, and I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this zari for your outstanding looks, bright and gorgeous also. And so very beautiful and elegant color combinations, very nice one, premium quality, pure handloom hand spun matka with contrast Banarasi work border and fully hand weaving work. This one is border portions, contrast color with fine hand weaving Banarasi work border, and this one is full base part, premium quality, pure handloom hand spun matka and fully hand weaving design border, Banarasi border matka Banarasi, very nice one. This one is full base part, and this one is contrast color running blouse piece, and this one pallu portion same contrast color with beautiful fine hand weaving Banarasi work pallu. This one border, this one is highlighted lines on pallu part and fully fine Banarasi weaving work, and this one is full base part, and very soft one, summer friendly, soft, comfortable, premium quality hand spun matka Banarasi. This one is highlighted contrast color pallu, very smart elegant looks and very soft one, and this one is very elegant color combinations also, purple with maroon contrast looks. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive trendy looks. This one is full piece one, very nice one. And this one also very beautiful exclusive party looks, and base is black golden zari work, heavy work, fully weaving self weaving pocket pattern weaving design and fully hand weaving work, fully fine zari weaving design, and base part is hand spun matka base, golden zari border, and full base part is beautiful golden zari self weaving work, full base part fully zari weaving but very soft one, premium quality zari, and this one pallu portions highlighted fine golden zari stripes pattern pallu, and this one is full base part, waist for your party looks, very gorgeous one. This one is full base part, fully fine golden zari weaving design, base part is hand spun matka, this one is fully golden zari weaving work, this one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, very exclusive trendy smart bright elegant looks. And I will suggest this silk material golden shade Banarasi weaving heavy work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding party looks. And this one also very beautiful one, premium quality, pure handloom hand spun matka with exclusive fine weaving, smart weaving jamdani work. Let me open this one, full base part and very soft one, premium quality, pure handloom hand spun matka base, highlighted 1-inch golden zari border, and full border portions fully golden and silver zari weaving jamdani work, and fully fine hand weaving jamdani work border, base part is hand spun matka with golden and silver zari weaving jamdani work border, and this one very exclusive pallu part, base part is resham silk, pure resham silk, highlighted golden zari stripes lines, and middle portions beautiful fine hand weaving jamdani work by golden and silver zari weaving jamdani work, and this one is full base part, pure resham with jamdani work, golden and silver zari weaving jamdani fine weaving design, and this one full base part, soft comfortable pure handloom hand spun matka with smart weaving design border, very trendy and elegant looks. This one is running blouse piece, and this one full base part, very nice one. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. And this one is best for your party wear. Organza base, heavy Banarosi weaving work, contrast color dye border with Banarosi work border. And this one full base part. This one is base part is muslin, and this one a contrast color dye border and full border portions fine weaving design Banarosi work, and full base part is beautiful weaving buta design, very smart looks. And this one is pallu portions, fully bouquet pattern golden zari weaving heavy worked pallu, very nice one. This one is beautiful bright one black contrast pallu with golden zari fine weaving work, very nice one. This one is running blouse piece, fully bouquet work, and this one full base part bright color combinations, organza base, contrast black dye border with heavy Banarosi weaving work, very nice looks. And this one is full base part, beautiful Banarosi buta, very trendy gorgeous looks. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy looks. Very beautiful one, pure handloom soft silk material with contrast border, Banarosi weaving work border, and full base part is beautiful digital printed one, very smart trendy looks, false type material. And this one is border portions, contrast color dye border with fine weaving design, Banarosi fine weaving design border. And this one is full base part, very beautiful color combination, fully floral digital printed one, and very soft comfortable. This one is full base part. And this one pallu portions, contrast color with dye pallu with fine Banarosi weaving work, very smart elegant looks, and very soft comfortable, very soft one, only 300 gram weight with beautiful digital printed one, handloom soft silk material with beautiful fine Banarosi weaving border and pallu, very nice looks. And this one fully brocade work running blouse piece, and I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive trendy looks. And this one also very beautiful one. Elegant color combinations, pure reshmi silk with beautiful reshmi zari weaving Banarosi work. Let me open this one full base part, very nice looks. This one is fully golden shade with golden zari weaving work, very trendy fresh looks. This one full base part is beautiful fine weaving design buta, Banarosi buta. And this one is border portions, fully Banarosi weaving design border and fully reshmi zari weaving Banarosi work. And this one pallu portions, fully golden zari fine weaving design heavy worked Banarosi worked pallu and beautiful pom pom design. And this one full base part, very nice looks. This one is full base, beautiful one, best for your party looks. This one is pure reshmi silk with reshmi zari weaving Banarosi work, very nice looks. And this one running blouse piece, fully brocade work running blouse piece, very gorgeous looks. This one is full part. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. Also very beautiful bright looks, premium quality and contrast color border, premium quality reshmi tissue Banarosi work, very nice one. This one full base part bright looks. This one border portions, contrast color fine Banarosi weaving border. And this one full base part reshmi tissue silk with Banarosi weaving design. This one is full base part beautiful fine weaving buta design, Banarosi buta, and very elegant color combinations. This one is contrast color dye pallu with beautiful fine Banarosi weaving work, very soft one, pure reshmi silk zari weaving Banarosi work, very nice looks. And this one full base part, very trendy one, elegant color combinations, This one is Reshmi Zari weaving Banarasi border, very soft one. And this one is full base part Reshmi tissue silk with Banarasi butta. This one is running blouse piece, fully brocade work. And this one is full base part. Very trendy looks. And I will suggest this silky material self weaving work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding bright gorgeous party looks. And this one also same material, base part is plain and heavy Banarasi weaving work, pure Reshmi silk Banarasi. And this one full base part greenish golden shade, full base part is plain and very soft one, pure Reshmi silk Banarasi. This one is Reshmi Zari weaving Banarasi work border, fully hand weaving design. And this one is full base part, based for your party looks, very nice one, gorgeous looks. This one is pallu, fully fine Banarasi weaving heavy worked pallu, and very soft one, fully Reshmi Zari weaving Banarasi work. And this one full base part, bright color combinations, greenish golden shade. This one is Banarasi work border, very nice. So this one is full base part. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding trendy looks. And this one also very beautiful one, muslin with jamdani weaving butta, very smart bright looks, golden zari border, and full base part is beautiful fine weaving design butta, golden and silver zari weaving butta. And this one border portions golden zari border, and full base part is beautiful weaving butta design, very bright elegant looks. And this one transparent pure muslin. And this one pallu portions highlighted golden and silver zari fine weaving design work pallu. And this one is border, very trendy bright and elegant looks. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy and smart looks. And this one also very beautiful one, same material different color only, same material same pattern, golden zari border, and full base part is beautiful golden and silver zari weaving butta design, very nice looks and elegant color combinations, pure muslin with jamdani butta, highlighted golden zari border, and full base part is golden and silver zari weaving butta design, very nice looks. And this one pallu portions fully golden and silver zari fine weaving design jamdani design pallu, very nice looks, smart also. This one is full base part transparent material and pure muslin with jamdani work. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy looks. And also very beautiful one, premium quality pure handloom silk clean silver zari weaving Banarasi work, and full base part is beautiful digital printed one, very bright elegant looks. This one full base part, very nice one. This one is contrast color dye with silver zari weaving design work Banarasi border, and full base part is silk clean base with beautiful digital printed one, very nice looks. And this one pallu portions fully silver zari weaving design Banarasi work pocket pattern pallu with digital printed one, very smart trendy looks. And this one full base part, very nice one. This one is full base part, this one is contrast color border, and full border portions beautiful silver zari weaving Banarasi work border. And this one is full base part, beautiful digital printed one, very trendy looks. And I will suggest this silk material self weaving work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding bright and elegant looks. And this one also very beautiful one, premium quality pure handloom silk clean, same material same pattern Banarasi border weaving border, and full base part is beautiful digital printed one, very fresh and elegant looks. This one full base part, very trendy color combinations and golden zari weaving Banarasi work, and full base part is beautiful digital printed one. This one is highlighted golden zari stripes with digital print printed and full base part is premium quality pure handloom silk linen base with digital print Banarasi work. Border design, very trendy one. This one is running blouse piece and this one is full base part. And I will suggest this silk material embroidery work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. Very beautiful one, same material, silk plain Banarasi weaving border and full base part is beautiful digital printed one, very smart trendy looks. This one full base part and this one is beautiful contrast color with fine weaving design work Banarasi work border, and this one pallu portions highlighted golden and silver zari stripes with beautiful digital printed pallu, and this one full base part, very nice looks. This one is full base part, this one is border fully Banarasi weaving heavy worked border and full base part is digital printed one. This one is running blouse piece and this one is full base part, very trendy looks. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding smart and bright looks. And this one also same material, same pattern, different printed one, premium quality pure handloom silk linen and fully fine weaving smart weaving Banarasi work border and full base part is beautiful digital printed one and base part is premium quality pure handloom silk linen base and fine golden zari weaving golden zari stripes with beautiful pom-pom design, and this one full base part, very trendy fresh looks. This one is full base part, beautiful digital printed one, very elegant looks, and this one golden zari fine weaving Banarasi work border, and this one is running blouse piece and this one is full base part, very trendy and fresh looks. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding smart looks. And this one also very beautiful one, same material, same pattern, different printed one and bright contrast color dye border. This one full base part. This one is full base part, this one is contrast color dye border and fully weaving Banarasi work border, and full base part is beautiful digital printed one and very elegant color combination silk linen material. This one is pallu portions highlighted golden and silver zari stripes pattern pallu, and this one is full base part, very elegant one. This one is full base and beautiful digital printed one, fully weaving border. This one is running blouse piece and this one is full piece, very nice looks. And I will suggest this silk material heavy weaving work Banarasi weaving work with a contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding smart bright looks. Very beautiful bright color combinations, bright blue shade matka with zari weaving fine self weaving stripes golden zari border and very smart elegant looks. This one is full base part, premium quality pure handloom matka by zari weaving fine stripes design full base. This one is full base part, zari with matka weaving stripes pattern full base part, and this one is fine golden zari border and full base part is same stripes pattern weaving, and this one resham pallu with beautiful jamdani work by Gicha silk. This one is resham base with Gicha weaving design, very nice one, golden zari border, and this one full base part beautiful weaving Gicha weaving design, very smart trendy looks and fully hand weaving design, and this one is hand weaving fine weaving design by Gicha silk, very nice one, and this one is full base part, same weaving stripes matka with zari weaving fine stripes golden zari border. This one is running blouse piece and this one is full base part, very trendy fresh looks. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding bright gorgeous party looks. And this one also very beautiful one bright looks. Let me open. Semi georgette base with a beautiful heavy Banarosi weaving work, false material, false type fill. And this one is pallu portions, highlighted golden zari weaving Banarosi work. Very nice trendy looks, fully fine Banarosi weaving design. And this one is bouquet pattern running blouse piece. And this one, full base part, bright color combinations with fine Banarosi weaving, heavy work, a very soft one, summer friendly and fully heavy work. This one is border, Banarosi border, and this one is full base part. Very smart, bright, gorgeous looks and very lightweight also. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this for your outstanding, bright, fresh looks. Very beautiful bright looks and elegant. Obviously base part is matka golden zari border and full base part is beautiful with golden zari weaving polka design. Very smart and elegant looks. This one is full base part, golden zari border and very elegant color combinations. Premium quality pure handloom matka base with golden zari hand weaving polka design, full base part, very trendy and elegant looks, fresh one, golden zari border, and this one is running blouse piece. And this one, pallu portions, very nice one, muslin pallu, highlighted golden zari stripes and beautiful golden zari weaving jamdani work. Very trendy looks bright one. And this one is muslin pallu with jamdani work, very trendy looks. And this one is full base part, matka base, very elegant one. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this for your outstanding, fresh, bright looks and very elegant color combinations. And today I have taken a beautiful color combinations, pure white with yellow contrast looks, very nice one, fresh looks. And base part is premium quality, pure handloom silk linen base. And this one is border portions, contrast color dye with silver zari weaving Banarosi work border and premium quality pure silk linen base and Banarosi work border. And full base part is beautiful fine embroidery work, weaving with embroidery combined looks, very bright fresh one. And this one, pallu portions, fully contrast color dye with silver zari weaving design Banarosi work, heavy worked pallu. Base part is white with embroidery butta, very trendy, bright, gorgeous and fresh looks. Beautiful saree with beautiful jewelry. If you want same saree with same jewelry, please contact through WhatsApp. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Thank you so much.